Is there a silver lining in the silver boom? Hello, I'm Steve Forbes, and this is What's Ahead, where you get the insights you need to better navigate this turbulent world. Silver is suddenly surging, going above $30 an ounce for the first time since 2013. Many of the same-day traders who've sent stocks like GameStop to unsustainably, absurdly high levels are buying silver, thinking they can quickly, profitably squeeze short sellers in the metal the way they did in particular stocks last week. They will discover some very unpleasant truths very quickly. First, there are not the relatively massive short positions in silver the way there were in those stocks. Second, while there may be temporary shortages of the metal available in the immediate market, the global supply of silver is enormous, unlike the very finite number of shares in companies like GameStop. A rising price will trigger a move of silver out of vaults, jewelry boxes, and drawers of old silverware to cash in on a sustained boom. A lesson from decades ago should caution these speculators. In the 1970s, Nelson Bunker Hunt of the famous oil family and his brother Herbert tried to corner the global silver market, using their vast fortune and massive amounts of borrowed money to buy it up. They sadly found out that the estimates of how much silver existed in the world were woefully wrong. As the price went up, more and more silver turned up to be sold. The price peaked at $50 an ounce and then crashed. It never reached that level again. The brothers went spectacularly bust. What may save some silver speculators this time is if, and this is a huge if, they can hold on until the Federal Reserve prints too much money to finance a likely Washington spending binge. The Fed may also turn on the printing presses to try to stimulate a sluggish economy that may follow the initial surge of activity when the COVID crisis abates later this year. Whatever the cause, we'll then experience some significant inflation. But that could be months, if not a year or so down the road. In other words, don't borrow to buy silver. Perhaps the Fed won't go overboard in printing money out of thin air, as many history-ignorant far-left Democrats want the central bank to do. But such forbearance is not likely. Then silver, gold, and other commodities will surge upward. In the meantime, we'll say it again, don't buy silver or silver ETFs with borrowed money. I'm Steve Forbes. Thank you for listening. Do send in your comments and suggestions. I look forward to being with you soon again.